a U.S. citizen here. I'm originally from Jamaica, and my parents came to visit during the pandemic, my mom and my stepdad. So I filed for my mom, and she got her 10-year green card. However, for my stepdad, the attorney had told my mom that once she got her green card, she could file for him immediately. But after she got her 10-year green card, he switched it up and stated that she can't do it for him. He would have to go back home, or she would have to wait until she's a citizen.
All right.
So,
a couple questions for you. How old are you?
I'm 37.
When did your mom marry this man?
She married him about, I'd say, 8 years ago.
Okay, so you were over the age of
18.
Okay. So yeah, your mother should file for him now. What country is he from?
He's from Jamaica. He's here now. He's been here and he's out of status.
So mom needs to file an I-130 visa petition for him. You have to start the process. You're not going to wait 6.5 years until mom's a citizen. Start the I-130 visa petition process. The answer is yes, he would have to go home. Now, it's scary to go home after you lived unlawfully in the U.S. for 15 years. Before you leave, after the visa petition's approved, you get something called a provisional waiver done. So done on I-601A waiver. Sometimes you hear that. And what's a provisional waiver? You're requesting forgiveness from the U.S. government. Please forgive me for living unlawfully in the United States. Please give me this waiver. This waiver is done while your stepfather is in the United States of America. He gets this waiver, this forgiveness, for all his unlawful immigration, living in America, breathing air in America illegally, whatever they want to call it. So now he has this waiver. And when you have this waiver, you can feel good about going home to Jamaica, picking up your green card and returning. Because the only reason now they can't deny you for immigration law violations. The only reason they can deny you is if you're a criminal. They don't believe you're in a real marriage with your spouse, or you don't have a good affidavit of support. I assume he's not a criminal. I assume it's a real marriage. And I assume somebody will give him a good affidavit of support. And quite frankly, I've probably done this over 1,000 times for Jamaicans, provisional waivers, and gone home and come back. And everyone goes and comes in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So it's perfectly fine. I know it's scary to you. It's not scary to me. I've done it so many times. Everyone goes and comes. It's perfectly fine. Let your mother file the I-130, do the provisional waiver, then he goes home and comes back. All right? Hold on if you need help.